Go to the right here, Nick.
So what have you been doing these days?
Same old.
Local or offshore?
Mostly offshore.
Where am I going?
Follow the road, I'll tell you when to turn. So are you, like, enjoying the work?
I'm enjoying the money.
So what do you do, Nick?
I work with Boomer.
Oh, a boy's up to no good. So exciting.
So how's your daddy? Still carrying that fucking gun?
Marcus, the world is not your own personal diorama. He's over it.
All right, I gotta know what happened with you two.
Well, we kinda...
Marcus and I were very much in love. My father didn't approve.
Oh, I can give you one guess why.
So when Marcus left the community, he tried to...
Leave with you.
Kidnap me, my dad said, which was so fucking romantic. But which kind of upset my dad, I guess.
Show him your bracelet.
Oh! GPS. So he always knows where I am.
Great.
Christ, what the hell's the matter with you?
So your dad sounds intense.
He was in SEAL Team 6.
Oh, he was not in SEAL Team
And
6.
Due to problems with the socialist tyranny of the American government,
He founded a community of like-minded patriots.
Patriots. Are guys here armed?
Totally armed.
Oh, Nick, it's cool. I know these people. They're mostly hippies.
Actually, all the hippies you knew are gone.
What? Where'd they go?
Just gone.
Nick, Jesus!
Dirt road straight ahead, that's ours.